This is where you can add new recipes to the database. On the right-hand side, you'll see some tips, so you can read through those to help you fill out the left-hand side. And you'll see pull downs and buttons and stuff like that to help you along your way. So for example, on the serving size, you can click on the down arrow and select that. You can add ingredients and do the pull downs and select the type of ingredient and the quantity, and then you can add ingredients as you need to. You have the procedures you can do. Now when you see this little icon here, it just means that you can make this bigger or smaller and add as much information as you need to. Then when you're done with filling in the description, you just click on Submit to Grove Menus. It just goes in a queue. Depending on how many are in the queue, it'll take a couple days to finish. When you're at your recipe index, it will have a button right here that says Submitted Recipes. So you can click on that and it'll give you a status of the recipes that you have submitted.